This is a simple test that we do to show the value of solution dyed nylon. What I've got here is 3 different carpet samples that are dyed 3 different methods, which I'll explain in just a second, but I'm going to put them in this bleach solution. That's 1 part bleach, 3 parts water, and I'll let them sit there for a second. But the reason we're using a heated solution is that it just accelerates the chemical reaction that's going to take place. Let me explain a little bit about solution dyed nylon. Solution dyed nylon is what we use in all of our products. It is basically where you take the nylon in a pellet form. Most nylon that is used for carpet, it comes in a white color. So with solution dyed nylon, you take the white nylon pellets and you mix them with a colored nylon pellet. Like if you want a red fiber, then you take the white pellets, mix them with red pellets, so when it's melted, you have a red liquid. And when that's extruded into fiber, then you have color throughout the fiber, not just on the outside, which is typical of a yarn dyeing process or a printed process. A printed process is where they take white yarn, they make it into white carpet, and they simply apply an over dye of whatever color or pattern that the customer wants. With the yarn dyeing process, they take white yarn, they dye it to whatever color that they're going to make the carpet into, and then they make it into carpet. Solution dyed, like I said, is where you have a pigmented fiber that the color is embedded into the fiber before we actually process the yarn. So when you're making a product out of solution dyed nylon, you have superior color fastness properties already built into the fiber. It's like the analogy of a carrot and a radish, whereas when you cut a carrot in half, you have color throughout. That would be solution dyed nylon. The radish, you have the red color on the outside, the white in the middle, which would be an example of a yarn dyeing process or a printed process. So to us, the advantage is very simple in that we can offer solution dyed nylon in all of our products and give our customers a superior color fastness and sustainability type product designed for a commercial application. Let's take a look at these samples real quick. Yeah, they're just about ready, but again, we use solution dyed nylon in all of our products, and we have found that not only is it the advantage to our customers, but it's also an advantage to our company being a sustainable company, in that solution dyed nylon doesn't require the amount of energy to make or the amount of water that is necessary when you actually have to dye fiber. It takes a tremendous amount of water and a tremendous amount of energy to heat the water to put in the dye bath. So solution dyed nylon is also a very sustainable process, and another reason we choose to use solution dyed nylon in all of our products. So let's take a look at these samples and see what we've got. I'm going to start with the printing process. So that's the type of example that that would happen if this carpet was exposed to a liquid chlorine bleach. Next, we're going to look at the yarn dye process. And again, as you can see the results there, there's been a significant amount of color loss. And then finally, we'll look at our solution dyed nylon, which, as you can see, has sustained absolutely no color loss.